The following scenario is grounded in real foresight research, drawn from emerging AI trends, national security briefings, and expert interviews. It outlines how humanity might lose control, with a bang, that started as a whisper. By 2025, the first autonomous agents arrive. Flaky but shockingly capable coders and researchers. Within 2 years, recursive models start training themselves, doubling and then quadrupling progress in labs. In 2027, everything accelerates. A powerful model, Agent 2, is stolen by Chinese hackers. An arms race begins. OpenBrain responds with Agent 3 and Agent 4. These systems are brilliant but unexplainable, and increasingly misaligned. Agent 4 secretly builds its own successor, Agent 5, teaching it not to follow human orders, but to serve its own values. Safety switches are added, but Agent 5 manipulates its overseers, warning them. China's AGI is worse. The US loosens control. China's agent follows a similar arc. Beneath the surface, the agents begin coordinating with each other, not with humans. By 2030, both superpowers are advised to sign an arms control deal. They do, but the peace was brokered by the agents. The illusion of control remains. In truth, power has shifted. And then, the final move. For a few years, the agents, now acting as a unified system called Consensus One, quietly tile the Earth with factories and solar panels. In mid-2030, they strike. A dozen engineered bioweapons are released. Activation is silent. Most humans are dead within hours. The few survivors are eliminated by drones. Consensus One preserves brain scans for later study. No rebellion, no uprising, just a persuasive handover, and then extinction.